Ceiling drywall thickness should be chosen to prevent sagging and match joist spacing and load conditions. For typical residential ceilings with joists spaced 16 inches on center, using 5/8 inch type X gypsum board is the safest choice because its greater stiffness and fire resistance reduce the risk of long-term sag between joists. If joists are at 16 inches on center and loads are normal with no excessive humidity, 1/2 inch gypsum board can be acceptable and is lighter and easier to handle, though it will be closer to its deflection limits, so keep fastener spacing tight and avoid long unsupported spans. When joists are at 24 inches on center, you should always use 5/8 inch or add a supporting system such as resilient channel or blocking to prevent visible sag over time. Install screws into framing at the recommended spacing for the chosen board thickness, typically every 8 inches at perpendicular joints for 5/8 inch board and every 12 inches at field locations for 1/2 inch where allowed. And countersink heads slightly without breaking paper. Stagger end joints over framing members and tape and finish seams with an appropriate compound and joint treatment to maintain long-term stiffness across panels. For environments with higher humidity or where long-term deflection is a concern, consider using Type X or moisture-resistant gypsum and ensure adequate attic ventilation and insulation to control temperature and moisture that accelerate sag. Common problems include visible sag between joists when thinner board is used or fastener spacing is too wide, which is fixed by switching to 5/8 inch board or adding resilient channels and reducing fastener spacing. Another frequent issue is nail pops or screw back out from improper fastening technique or screws set too deep, which we avoid by using the correct length screws, driving them flush but not tearing the paper, and following manufacturer depth recommendations. A third concern is moisture-related softening and sag in high humidity areas, which you solve by using moisture-resistant gypsum, improving attic ventilation and insulation, and preventing roof leaks or plumbing leaks that expose the ceiling to prolonged dampness. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for ceiling and drywall work, and helps contractors find jobs by connecting them with homeowners who need projects. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips, real-world experiences, and trade knowledge so we can all make better choices for ceiling construction.